tonight's lightning ball draw. Today I have to be quick for this one since I forgot to realise. Gotta be quick, gotta be quick. Oh. Definitely no one. Sorry about that. First ball out, number 75. Good. Second ball out, number 28. Third ball out, number 73. Fourth ball out, number 34. Fifth ball out, number 83. Sixth and final number is number 19. And the light ball is 18. Those numbers again in the same order are 19, 28, 34, 73, 75, and 83. And the light ball is 18. That was tonight's light ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute for tonight's daily lesson draw. Bye.